Forget everything you think you know about campfire cooking, because it's not just burnt hot dogs and sad blackened marshmallows anymore. Outdoor cooking isn't a backup plan. It's an experience. And today, we're turning your campfire into a full-on gourmet adventure. Most people never go beyond the basics. But you're about to level up. Imagine unwrapping a foil packet stuffed with seasoned chicken and veggies perfectly tender, smoky, and sizzling from the fire. Or baking fluffy campfire bread on a stick fresh, golden, and dripping with warm jam. Yeah, this isn't survival food. This is campfire magic. Outdoor cooking starts with simple gear. Forget plastic forks and wimpy pans. A cast-iron skillet becomes your best friend. A grill grate over the fire. Game-changer long-handled tools. Essentialant lest you're into toasted knuckles and missing eyebrows. Keep safety close. That means gloves, water, and yes sir, fire extinguisher. Chaos-proof cooking. Now let's talk fire. A good campfire is built, not born. Start small. Tinder first, dry leaves, twigs, pine needles, then kindling. Build that little log cabin or teepee of sticks and give it oxygen to breathe. When the flames catch and begin to roar, feed it slowly. Control the fire and you control the feast. Bonus hero move. Light it with flint and steel for instant legend status. And the food? Oh, we're just getting warmed up. Campfire fajitas with smoky peppers, nachos melted over glowing embers, banana boats bursting with marshmallow and chocolate. It's messy, it's glorious, it's everything camping should taste like, and dessert by the fire. That's where memories are made. But here's the rule: great camp cooks also clean. A tidy fire ring, ghee washed, trash bag packed, leave no trace. Nature gives us her backyard to play in. The least we can do is not trash the place like a wild raccoon with poor life choices. So, what is outdoor cooking really about? It's more than recipes. It's connection. Firelight stories. Midnight laughter. Crispy bacon in the morning and warm chocolate at night. It's slowing down just long enough to feel alive. Out here, the kitchen has no walls. The sky is your ceiling. And every meal is a memory waiting to happen. Grab the skillet. Light the fire. Adventure is hungry, so let's feed it.